Integrating financial data doesn't have to be a headache. We'll show you how to get market data in real time using Node.js and SDK. Let's start by installing the SDK and .env to manage our credentials securely. We create a new instance of the tradermade library and securely feed it the API key stored in our env file. Now that the SDK is initialized, we want to see current prices. We can request a specific pair like euro-dollar or a basket of different instruments like the UK 100 at once. For charting and analysis, we need to look back in time. Here, we request daily data for EUR/USD between January 8th and January 10th, 2026. Before we can query data, sometimes we need to know exactly which contracts for different CFDs are supported by the API. We wrap the SDK logic inside an Express.js server. This creates an endpoint that your frontend can call to calculate currency exchanges dynamically. Now, to power this engine, we need to authenticate. Create a .env file in your project root. You'll need a valid API key here. You can grab one for free right now by heading to tradermade.com and request a trial. This gives you full access to real time so you can integrate under real market conditions. Grab your key, drop it into the script, and start monitoring the markets like a pro.
To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.